Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC, and I am back with my newly upgraded FTX Zorro brushless, and I want to improve the performance of this car, and the way I've chosen to do that without spending too much money, I am going to keep the same ESC and the same motor. I have upgraded the fan, but I would like to change some of the settings within the ESC. How do you do that? Well, I have bought myself one of these. This is the Etronics programming card for this ESC. Simply, let's open it up. I've not used it yet actually, so I'm going to open it up and see how it works. Now, at the moment all my leads are loose out here because I plan to do this, and all I need to do afterwards once I finish is put the cap back on. So in order to do this I'm going to need a battery, so I am first of all going to plug in my ESC. Now on here we have got a lead which you will attach to the lead here. So that is going to go in there. We need to make it so the black goes to black, so it goes that way round. So if I turn this on now by the switch, there we go, let's just push that in there. The program card now is lit up, we have lots of lights on there, and I am going to go through the options. So I've got a 3.1 voltage cutoff, 2.9 voltage cutoff, 2.7 voltage cutoff, or 0. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the program button. We're then going to click down. These lights have flashed, which means I'm on this one. I'm going to keep that the same at 3.1 volts. Moving on to the next one. I'm going to keep that at medium. As we come down to here, for 50%, I actually want the brake to come down to 20%. So I'm going to hit the side arrow like so, which has moved that dot. Come down to the next one. And again, I would like reversing to be a little bit faster, so I'm going to move it up to 50%. There we go. I'm going to keep the neutral range at 9%, and then I hold down program, and the blue light shows to say that that's where it's set. So if I turn it off now, and hopefully when I turn it back on, the lights should show up where I've saved those settings. Here goes. And there you go, so those two that I changed have moved across, and that is now reset and programmed. So there you have it, the Etronics program card. Fantastic little piece of kit, super simple to use. Check out the links in the description below as to where you get hold of one of these.